in place are not very clear.
Gavana mar County Mama Kweni Mutula Kilonzo Junior okwayo piny owacho mondo oketenge omenda mar konyo duol ma ochung'ne keyo yedhe pacho ka KEMSA e chenro margi maonge kod ng'ikruok. Ka oloso kinde mano kawo yedhe maromo siling milion 90 kowuok ka KEMSA. Mutula omedo ni duolno nitie gi gowi maduong' kaluwore gi weche mag mibadhi mar KEMSA Millionaires. Kendo poni okoketo omenda tenge to tend loch counties biro bedo gi nok mar yedhe. Apisa maduong' kaduol mar keyo yedhe pacho ka KEMSA Teri Ramadhani osingo ni gimedo keyo yedhe counties mopogore opogore e kinde madwarore, ka osingo ni yedhe biro chope ute thieth duto ma county Mama Kweni kaka dwarore.
Your oath to save lives does not include you becoming rich or making money out of health commodities. I have said this before and I am going to repeat to you. You are not going to become wealthy by selling medicine belonging to poor people and sick people. You are going to carry a curse from you to your generations. And I am going to repeat this because if you believe in the prayers that we make, you can't steal from the poor. And you will not steal when I'm here.
Let me reiterate that the KEMSA pledge to support the health promotion agenda at the county level is part of our three-pronged transformational agenda, dubbed KEMSA 2.0. Within the KEMSA strategy, the authority has formulated plans to enhance customer experience standards for all counties by focusing on 3 key performance indicators, including optimum order fill rates and less than 7 days turnaround. We are executing our rapid results strategy to raise operational